How are you guys doing? Holy crap. So this is hard to see, but this is all glass that came flying over my head when the back window came out. GoPro is safe though. Their windshield, I'm guessing, up through here probably.
I'm glad you found a bag for all this junk. Oh, good.
You don't get in a car accident all the time, you know. But you guys do, it sounds like. I just got checked out by the paramedic.
Am I already?
It's a video, you guys can keep going. Brooke is recruiting. Dude, double tires. Wow, that's pretty tough. The shoe box and then this like emergency kit thing.
Here's
some contraband.
Green and white cigars.
Oh.
Mindy.
He's taking you. I got this for you, sir.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. We get to business. Do you need any help with anything, dude?
No, you don't need to ask. So when you call your insurance company, don't worry about calling his. Call your insurance company. Let them know you were in an accident. Give them that case number.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks.